I think this is my general advice. Learn to say no. Be okay with saying no. It took me forever to say no to somebody. And when I did, and I really meant it, it was liberating. I was like, you know what? Nothing bad happened.
Yeah.
Right? They're okay. I'm okay. Just no. So learn to say no. That's one. Number two, start. Whatever it is that you have in your mind, just start. Write it down and it will evolve on paper. Just start writing it down. And I always tell people, if you have an idea, write it down. And then show me, then we'll talk about it. I'd say
Yeah.
9 times out of 10, nobody writes it down. So I don't talk to them anymore. Man, I just asked you to write it down. If you can't even do that,
Yeah.
like, come on, just write it down. Simple.
Yeah.
Draw it out. Sketch it out. That's how the Loud Cup came to be. I was just sketching. I was just, okay, how am I going to do
Yeah.
this? Right? Write it out. Say no, start, and evolve, and just take the critiques, take the criticisms, take the negative. Like, man, I get so much in my inbox of like, this is the worst invention ever, right? But for every one person that say it's the worst invention ever, I got 1,000 that say this is hilarious, right? And
Yes.
so,
Absolutely, man. I mean, you got
yeah,
unhappy. And, I tell everybody, you can't make everybody happy. Somebody's gonna be mad at the way you look, the way you dress. They're gonna be mad at the way you say something. They're gonna be mad at your design, and you just can't. There's just unhappy people out in this world that's just out to just troll others. You know
I
what I mean?
I keep getting in trouble. I keep getting in trouble from the team. They're like, Jay, you got to stop responding to people. I told one guy is like, this is the dumbest invention. This is the dumbest idea I ever had. And his profile picture was him sitting on a beach in a giant inflatable chair, like giant. So I wrote back, I'm like, how long did it take to blow up that chair? That seemed like a pretty good idea. And then I told another guy that
That
he
is
needed more
awesome.
weight. I told another guy he needed more weight in his weighted blanket, and I got in trouble for that too. I'm like, you need more weight in your weighted blanket. Leave me alone.